دلوقتي هي هتقول كلام بالتركي وانا هقول كلام بالمصري، وانا هحاول اجس الكلام اللي بالتركي ده معناه ايه، وهي تحاول تجس الكلام اللي بالمصري معناه ايه.
Makarna.
مكرونه it's pasta.
Oh,
Yeah,
you
it's
know
so
it. Okay.
easy.
Shapka.
شبكه. شبكه like gold.
Nah.
شبكه like مشبك it's eat something like.
Nah.
شبكه like something like that.
Mm.
It's eat food.
No. You have it.
شبكه.
Yeah, you have it right now on you.
شبكه.
Yeah.
شبكه.
Yeah.
شبكه.
Yes.
لبن.
Leban.
Yes.
Something to eat.
Drink.
Drink. It's like traditional coffee or something.
No.
It's similar to sahlep.
Yeah, you use it in sahlab.
Oh, is there cinnamon?
No.
Milk?
Yes, milk.
Yeah.
Bead.
Beet?
Bead.
Beet.
Bead.
Bed.
Bead.
Oh, bed?
No, bed. It's food.
Oh.
You eat it and breakfast.
Oh, egg.
Yes,
Is
egg.
it? Yes. Okay, toka.
Toka, your hair.
No, like I'm using it for my hair.
Yeah, toka.
Hair clip.
Yes.
Yeah.
Toka, yes.
Okay.
We
You
say
got it.
same in Egypt toka.
Oh.
Okay.
Um,
طب نروح مكان تاني بقى.